We didn't see you there. I'm Dr. Broderick Oswald, PhD, and this is my accomplice, Chad Michael Higgins. Today we'll be taking a look at how to record the perfect audio. Come on, join us, as we've only just begun. Oh, you're still with us. Right now, me and Chad have just gotten back from our walk. But this is only phase 2, is right now we're inside in a room using the camera mic with a high ceiling. But let's go up to the sound studio to get some even better stuff. Come on.
Now kids, Halloween is right around the corner. But let's not waste our time talking about anything fake scary like monsters or ghouls or anything like that. Let's talk about something that's real and scary. Like how much the quality of your audio improves when you do it under a blanket. And I know you've been under the impression that this is a ghost. But if we want to talk real scary, take a look at this.
But unfortunately, man has forgotten the importance of a well-placed wire in a wireless world. Contrary to popular belief, the direct quality of your audio is proportional to the color and the quantity of wires you have. As you can see, we will be using a brilliant pink audio cable to get a brilliant sound. And, dear God,